couple real easy steps to lighten a water heater. This one happens to be a State, but this will cover A.O. Smith, Reliance. It'll cover most all newer water heaters. State water heaters are made by A.O. Smith. At any rate, if it's a new installation, then you go down to your control valve, you make sure your gas is on. You're going to have to run it a little while to get all the air out of the line, so you hold down on the pilot. While you are holding down on the pilot, I typically count to about 30 seconds. That normally gives us plenty enough time. You have to keep this button depressed the whole time. When you feel you got all the air out, you start igniting. Look back in there, see your flame. Once you get fire, count to 30. If you listen closely, you'll hear the control valve click, and then that status light will start blinking. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know if you heard that click, but that was it. So now it's lit. You can pull your finger off of the button. The whole time I've had it depressed. You have to do that to allow the gas to come in. Now there's a flame down there. So it tells the control valve, keep sending gas. Then you set it to whatever temperature you want. This one I'm going to set at 120, which is hot. Each letter is 10 degrees. About. They have a 2-degree differential.